Welcome back to Impossible Futures, a challenge created to aid, reward, and encourage developers to take hold of the raw materials of a new internet and shape them into something radical, useful, exciting, and sometimes unexpected. The Autonomi Network is creating a new reality where data becomes permanent, globally accessible, and you get to choose how to experience it. This isn't about a single app or a new platform, it's about changing the very nature of how information is delivered by the web. Data becomes permanent, not because a company promises it, but because mathematics guarantees it. Math. So once you add something to the network, it's yours forever. Any device, any country, there's no gatekeepers, no geo-blocking, and no barriers to innovation. I mean, what's the point in creating the most powerful global communication system in history and then hoarding its transformational power?
Knowledge, should be free to all.
And you choose the experience. This is the game changer. The data layer is completely separate from the presentation layer. Think about it. Today, your Medium articles are trapped in Medium's interface. Your Instagram photos live inside Instagram's feed. Your tweets exist in an X timeline. The platform is the prison.
I'm in a glass case of emotion.
On Autonomi, data just exists. Permanent, accessible, waiting. Your content can be experienced through a minimal distraction-free reader, an audio interface for your commute, a research tool that connects ideas, a social feed that you control, any interface anyone can dream up. You hop between experiences instantly, your data travels with you, your preferences persist. In fact, to be more accurate, the data stays exactly where it is, permanently. You just get to mix, match, and remix interfaces on top of it like Lego blocks. And this is the end of walled gardens. Platforms can't hold your data hostage anymore. They have to compete on actually being better and not locking you in. This might all sound theoretical, but it's not. It's happening right now. Our Impossible Futures finalists are proving what is possible. Take Paul Green, for example. He's built IMIM, I Am Immutable. On the surface, it looks like a blogging platform, an alternative to something like Medium. But in combination with Autonomi, this new protocol underneath, it's way more than that. It demonstrates exactly how we escape from walled gardens. Your blog posts exist forever on the network. No platform can paywall your audience. No company can deplatform your content. Your readers can consume it through any interface they like. It's the proof that when you separate data from presentation, creators finally own their work and readers finally control their experience. But I'll let Paul give you a sneaky peek demo to IMIM. Take it away.
Hi, I'm Paul Green of AntNode Limited, the author of IMIM and AntTP. I followed Autonomi for many years and I wanted to work on a project that would be censorship-free, due to immutability, reflected the benefits of separating apps from data, was genuinely useful, was fast and easy to use, and reused lots of existing technology. With that, I embarked on IMIM, the distributed blogging app. I wanted to build a web app that could use a regular UI framework and talk in the common language of HTTP. You need to be able to use it in existing browsers, as there were no dedicated alternatives. I wanted it to be accessible over the ClearNet to allow people to use it immediately, while being able to run locally for the full Autonomi experience. How does it work? Well, IMIM is made up of a number of components. 1. The data. Archives containing markdown files and associated media, including images, audio, and videos. The app. A web application using Angular framework, which renders the blog and any data associated with it. To create a blog, you only need to worry about the first one, the data. You can do this either through editing files on your computer and uploading them in an archive, or you can use a simple editor in the IMIM app. In both cases, an archive is created in Autonomi containing all of your files. These aren't put on a server to host somewhere. They don't end up in someone else's database. They're uploaded and downloaded directly from Autonomi. How do you view your blog? You just point IMIM at the address where your archive was uploaded to. Then you share this link with others to enjoy it. IMIM doesn't own your data, it's just an app. You could use any markdown view of your choosing. It's your data, Do with as you please.
And Paul didn't stop there, by the way. He's aware developers need a bridge from the old web to the new world. So he's also created AntTP, another string to the bow for devs who want to quickly get going on autonomy and move away from the incumbent web to something better. AntTP is a bridge that lets autonomy apps run in any regular browser. No special software, no friction, the future delivered to where people already are.
You can use AntTP as a remote gateway or a local proxy to access autonomy data. With a regular browser, you can upload, download, and stream data directly from the Autonomi Network. You can stream 4K videos, listen to your music collection, view autonomy websites. There is also a REST API to allow rich, dynamic apps to be developed. The difference is, everything is on autonomy. There is no corporate cloud, no servers, no hosting fees. AntTP also caches your data. This allows super fast access to anything you have downloaded before, even when you're offline. This includes mutable and immutable data. AntTP also integrates seamlessly with the AntCLI, allowing any archives, files, pointers, registers, or other native types to be interacted with. I built AntTP to build IMIM. Now I hope that many others will get to build their own apps too.
And here's why developers are getting excited about building on autonomy. The infrastructure, handled. No AWS bills, no database management, no scaling nightmares at 3 a.m.
Sean, what if we can't stop it?
The network is the infrastructure. Personal data, not your problem. Users own their data. You just build experiences. No GDPR complexity, no data breaches, no privacy policies that nobody reads. And this is where real competition can thrive. The best UX wins, period. Not the biggest data hoard, not the most vendor locked in, just pure, beautiful, user delighting experiences. Because the network effect belongs to everyone.
I tap that network. That's a thing people say.
Every app makes the network stronger. Every user brings their data. Every developer can build on what exists. It's composable, permissionless innovation. So let's zoom out for the full picture. For creators, your work exists forever. Build your audience anywhere, take them everywhere. No platform can ever stand between you and your people. And for users, finally, you're in control. Your data follows you, your preferences persist. Choose the experience that delights you today, switch tomorrow, and lose nothing. And for developers, stop rebuilding the same infrastructure. Stop fighting for user lock-in somewhere else. Just build amazing experience. This isn't about one app replacing Medium or Twitter. It's about thousands of innovative experiences we haven't imagined yet, all working with the same permanent, accessible data layer. The network effect is the network itself, and every participant makes it stronger. Every app adds value for every other app. It's positive sum for everyone.
This is a win-win situation. Win-win.
We're at an inflection point. As I have said before, the first developers on autonomy aren't just building apps, they're defining how the future internet works. Paul's IMIM isn't just a blog, it's a proof point. If this is possible, what else is? Social networks where you own your social graph. Creative tools where your work is permanently attributed to you. And this is the impossible future being realized. Follow us for more.